In this question, we have to generate a non-compliance message. Generate a message for non-compliant cases indicating the date, hour, minutes worked, and the deviation from the contracted time. This message should be formatted to inform the employee of the dis, discrepancy and request them to look into it. So let's back to our Excel sheet. So we have to write message. For writing message, we will use our you can say if condition. So is equal to if our logic will be if our compliance is compliant. So D7 is equal to non-compliant. Then we have to generate a message. In message we have on text. We will convert our this A7 column into text format to append in this you can say message. So our text value will be A7 and D is for date, for month, and Y for year. This is our format, and and is to add the strings, or you can say concat the strings. And if you're thinking what I'm looking in left, so this is my secondary skin, and I already solved this you can say complete project, so I'm looking for reference. You work for space, then and here we will add our you can say number of hours. So our E5 no sorry E7 and then again string hours and space string. Here we will give F7 minutes. Also we have to give add symbol minutes less than the contracted time of space, then and contracted time of here we will give our working time which is fixed, so we will add dollar symbol here, $C, $4, and then again and so we will give here a number of hours, so it will be B3, okay, and space hours and again C dollar I'm sorry $C3 $3. Here we will get our minutes, okay. Minutes, please review and address this discrepancy. And if this condition is false, we have to give you can say an empty string. So we will hit enter. We will get for it is compliant, so we will get empty string. We will you can say apply this for whole, you can say whole row by clicking by double clicking. So we can also change its format to clearly for clear visualization. You can see. So our message is on date you work for dash hours and dash minutes less than the contracted time of 8 hours and 30 minutes. Please review and address this discrepancy.